this OBS update that had everyone up in arms. I haven't seen people get so tilted over an OBS update as much as this one. Because everyone's plugins and everyone threw them all out of sorts. Me included, hence why I knew what the do. I'm going to cover the Stream Deck plugin I used personally, and I had issues with when the update came through. When you do the update to OBS 28, your Stream Deck just all of a sudden says, you know what? This integration doesn't work with OBS. You need to come to this specific page, put that code in right now, open the URL bar, go there. You then download, depending if you're on Windows or Mac, one of these two links. You then follow these instructions. You also download this OBS Studio plugin link. Once you finish that, your Stream Deck will work with your OBS, right? You will have to reassign your hotkeys on your Stream Deck though. If you're still seeing this error message which pops up during your opening of OBS, well, you just go in to where you have your plugin file directory on your computer. Delete the previous files that it says there, the Stream Deck plugin.dll and the Stream Deck plugin.pdb, and that will not come up again. I specifically had 3 plugins that the latest update negated and was bringing up this error, and as soon as I installed the new software and deleted the former files, alert stopped coming up.